cowboy brace on?
They're all too pretty to put on the bottom.
Before you, I was doing my best. But you ain't heard from me. Going on a year. You turn that radio up, your favorite name. We were strangers. Now I'll never be the same.
Screwing on that, the 3/4 female. The hose adapter.
What size you need?
3/4 inch female threads.
All this and you don't have that. Must be a pretty popular size.
Well, I have a bunch of 3/4 inch female adapters, which for some reason in my head I thought these were female threads that I was tying into they were FIPs and not MIPs, but I was incorrect. I'm gonna come over here.
So Donnie had buried this all the way here from the well all the way down to where we're at now in the garden down there several weeks ago, but we never tied anything in because we didn't have our power hooked up, which we have our temporary power hooked up now. Yay! So now we can run the well and everything more efficiently rather than through the generator, which we have been doing. Are you going to tie into here?
Yeah, we're going to put a T in and drop down underground and tie that in. See if they have the female thread. Work. Put my fat boy brace on. Probably overhang just as good. Scary.